Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video. Now, can we talk? I'm just kidding, actually. But seriously, on a serious note, I do want to introduce you, if you have not heard about or seen the $10 miracle business opportunity, it's something that you might want to take a look at, okay? It is a simple 1, 2, 3 step by step done for you program. All right, and it is going viral if it's not viral already, and it's just a wonderful program that you can really start making some extra money, to have an additional stream of income. The beautiful thing about this program is that it will not interfere with anything else that you are currently doing. I'm marketing this program as well as some of the other programs that I'm marketing, okay? And you could probably start making money on day one. The trick, if there's a trick, is just simply to share this, okay? And that's not really a trick at all, is it? But we do have a 1-minute video that you can take a look at, okay? And if you grab the link in the description area of this video, it will take you to the 1-minute video that I'd like you to see, and you can get signed up, okay? Now it's $10 one time out of pocket, all right? There are some upgrades, and I like to say that up front so that people will know, but that's optional. You don't have to do it. As a matter of fact, you can start making money and then upgrade at a later date, okay? But there's going to be some more information in the description area of this video, and I encourage you that if you are looking for a great low-cost opportunity, then this is something for you, okay? Well, there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and again, I want to thank you for checking out this video today. Be sure to grab the link and check out our 1-minute video. All right, you have a blessed, wonderful, magnificent day today. Bye-bye now.